is for alligator, snapping with a grin. B is for bear, so fuzzy and thin. C is for cat, who purrs and plays. D is for dog with wagging ways.
E is for elephant, stomping around. F is for fox, so sly and brown. G is for giraffe, who's oh so tall. H is for horse, trotting at the ball.
Come join the parade, it's wild and fun. A to Z animals, one by one. Clap your hands and sing along in the A to Z animal song.
I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jaguar, fast as light. K is for kangaroo, who loves to hop. L is for lion, who roars non-stop. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for narwhal, under the sea. O is for owl, who hoots all night. P is for penguin, in suits of white.
Come join the parade, it's wild and fun. A to Z animals, one by one. Clap your hands and sing along in the A to Z animal song.
Q is for quail, so quick to flee. R is for rabbit, hopping with glee. S is for snake, who slithers away. T is for tiger, striped and gray.
U is for unicorn, magic and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, who sings so deep. X is for xeris, who scurries to leap. Come join the parade, it's wild and fun. A to Z animals, one by one. Clap your hands and sing along in the A to Z animal song. Y is for yak, furry and slow. Z is for zebra, with stripes in a row. The parade has ended, what a show. A to Z animals steal the glow. We joined the parade, it was wild and fun. A to Z animals, everyone clapped our hands and sang along to the A to Z animal song.
One little monkey swinging on a vine. Two tall giraffes standing in line. Three striped zebras playing by the shore. Four happy hippos asking for more. Five cheeky parrots squawking with glee. Six lazy lions resting under a tree. Seven bright butterflies fluttering by. Eight silly monkeys reaching for the sky. Let's count, let's play in the jungle today. Animals dancing, hip hip hooray. Clap your hands, jump and shout. Count with the jungle, let's figure it out. Nine busy beetles crawling on the ground. 10 sneaky snakes without a sound. We counted, we played in the jungle today. Animals dancing, hip hip hooray. We counted, we played in the jungle today. Animals dancing, hip hip hooray. We counted, we played in the jungle today. Animals dancing, hip hip hooray.
Red for the roses blooming so bright. Orange for sunsets glowing at night. Yellow for daisies dancing with cheer. Green for the forest calm and clear. Come on a rainbow adventure with me. Colors so bright as far as we see. shining so bright, painting the world with pure delight. Hop on a cloud, sail through the sky, follow the rainbow way up high. Brown for the bunnies hopping around, white for the clouds without a sound, black for the night with stars so bright, silver for moonlight glowing at night. Come on a rainbow adventure with me, colors so bright as far as we see. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, purple and pink, let's find them too. Gold for the treasure at rainbow's end, gray for the elephant, a giant friend, teal for the waves rolling ashore, peach for the sunrise we all adore. We went on a rainbow adventure so bright, colors all around, a magical